It's a Samsung Galaxy phone. The power button does appear to be functional. Battery level is about showing at 90% right now. Incoming charge current is registering at about 0.90 amperes. T-Mobile sent the customer over to see if we can replace the battery for the customer. His symptoms have been described that the battery drains out fast. So based upon T-Mobile's request and customers' request, we're going to go ahead and try to change out the battery for the customer. Model designation is showing as it's not listed over here, so I don't have the model designation. But the last four of the IMEI right now is 1942/2. I'll go ahead and ask Mr. Shane to identify the model designation and try to pull a battery for this device. And if we do have the battery, we're going to go ahead and sell it for $49.99.